These are the Bonai solar panels here for charging up your security cameras. This is a 2-pack I just got here. So these are 9-watt solar panels. They're pretty good size, you can see. So they'll charge up your devices more quickly than smaller sizes. So they are, let's see, nice and rigid, really nice quality. They have a 10-foot long cable here. The connection is a USB-C. So it should work with any security camera that has the USB-C plug there. I have the UV cellular cam here. So you can see it comes with a smaller solar panel, but a lot of times when the weather is bad in the winter, for a long time it doesn't charge up quickly enough to run before it runs out of battery. So that's why these will help charge them up, so you don't have to keep bringing them inside to charge up. So I'll be mounting these outside. Come with all the hardware you need for mounting them. So this one I have plugged in right there. You can see it is charging up right now. So just have it plugged in under a little lamp and it's charging it up. So even in cloudy weather, it should help keep your cameras charged up. So you don't have to keep taking them down to charge up inside. So yeah, let me get this mounted up outside and show you what that looks like.